Okay, so the first step we need to do is go to the wizardcodingbook.com website, and we're going to grab the sprites from Hazel. So go up to Lessons, Scratch Coding, and you can see there I've got the Google Drive link. Click on the Google Drive link, and what that'll do is open up Google Drive, and you can see a whole range of different actions. Let's go with the Run folder. We'll get Hazel running to start, but you can download any of those actions at any stage. So all I'm going to do here is press on Hazel, the first one, hold my finger down because I'm on an iPad, and save each of those images to the camera roll. It's important that we save each one. I think there's 6 in total there. So that we really imitate that fantastic kind of running sequence when we bring it into Scratch. So once again, just bear with me here. I'm up to number 5. I'm saving each of the camera roll, and that's all we're going to do in today's tutorial. After this, proceed to lesson 2. We'll get Hazel running, but that's all you need to do. I'll just check in my camera roll there. Yep, they're all there, ready to be used. We're going to, in the next tutorial, have a look at actually putting those Sprite images together and get Hazel running.